Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a Devops School's flagship certification program in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact at the rate of devopsschool.com.
No, you'll say, I'm a human being. I'm not doing that manual, repetitive work. I have a mind. Then what you'll say? Okay, I will automate it. Then go for automations. Then what scripting tool you'll use it. You can use Bash script also, Windows. You can use shell scripting also. You can many other script, any other script will work also. But Maven and MS Build, Gradle, this is designed for those tasks which you are doing. Using this task, it will be easy for you. That's all. So that's called building process. Comfortable?
Yeah,
Hello?
what would be the outcome of this building process? What generally, I
Building
mean, the codes, different code files will be analyzed and then,
out outcome will be binary file. Simple.
okay,
Binary. Binary. Because see, you understand code, the file txt. I'll put it in more simple way. You understand the txt file.
hmm,
Okay. Do you know? System don't understand this txt file. They
yeah,
understand 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So system to understand, you have to human readable code to machine readable code. That process is called building process. Make sense?
okay, yeah,
Yeah. Now packing. See, packing is a huge word. Packing is a huge word. Like we have a packing for system. We are packing for application. We are packing for many other words. So when I say packing for system means what? See, if I give you 10,000 files or I'll give you one exe, which one you will take? Which one?
exe,
Of course, exe, because this is something you click and everything get installed. But who is creating exe? Have you thought about it? You will create exe. That's called packing for Windows. If you go for Linux,
hmm,
then RPM you will use, Debian package you'll use. If you go for Android mobile, the one which you're using, APK you will use, correct? If you go for the
hmm,
Docker image you'll use. So that's a system packaging. But what about application packaging? Application packaging means this application level, you just package this. And you know that, I
okay,
know. Zip file, don't you use it?
hmm, yeah,
Zip file,
we'll use it.
tarball. Yeah. So in Java, we have a packaging which is a jar file, war file,
So, so
EAR.
here the unit testing will be performed on the binary files or, oh,
Yeah. You because unit testings will be done on the binary and match with the source code. So this building
okay,
process will have a two things, binary and source code. That is where the unit testing will be done.
yeah, got it. Thank you.
So
Rajesh, what
this
is
is the
UT? What is UT?
UT means unit testing.
Okay.
So developers only will do this or unit testing. Testing tool will take from here. UT means unit testing. So these are the things will be done by Maven. So I was talking about, yes. So Maven says, if you follow me, I will automate for you. Left side you can see that. Other language like Ant and all, it says, hey, you have tried your own logic. So Ant anyways is gone out of our use. It's become a legacy tool now. But Maven and Gradle, which is good. Now, interestingly, Gradle is both actually. Mind it. Gradle you can write your own way also, and Gradle you can ask, hey Gradle, can you automate everything for me? So it will do that. So that is a something. So in short, in Maven, if you learn how Maven works, the rest of the things done. Clear, all of you? Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So now next question is how to install Maven. Nothing great you have to do. First thing, step number one, install Java. Okay, install Java. So what we have to do? Primarily, I work for the OpenJDK because that will make my life little easier during training. But you can use Oracle JDK. Every developers use the Oracle JDK. So Oracle JDK is from Oracle. OpenJDK is from the community. So both are you can go and get it. That's not a problem. So from where you will download. So right now I'll talk about the Java OpenJDK. So this page will definitely help you. This page instead of searching Google and all. So here you have all the JDK available. And this URL, if you see this one, this you have all the Java version. This is OpenJDK. Okay, this is OpenJDK. Now, if you want to basically Maven definitely will work in the laptop only. That will be Windows, but Linux also you can use it. That's not a problem. So Windows, what to do? So look at guys here. There is a zip file here. See, 18. Don't go for 18 and all. 11. My set your mindset. 11. Okay, this is the one. Okay, that is the things. So go for 11 and download this package in Windows. You will get a exe if you go for Oracle website. You go for exe, but I don't like that because you have to log in, register. It's irritating work actually. So this one. Now what to do? My favorite location, I think you know, is a C and tools. And here I have Java, and here three version of Java I extracted. I need different one. So 11 also, 8 also, and all. So go for JDK. Don't go for JRE. Anyone have idea what is the difference between JDK versus JRE? So basically, JRE means Java Runtime Environment. So if you want to run any application, run, must say, run means run. You want to run any application, then you need a GRE. That means that application is already compiled form, is in compiled form. But if you want to go and convert to compiled form, binary form, and then run it also, then JDK. So JDK, you have a JRE inbuilt. So go for JDK. Okay, so now what to do? I just extracted this folder here, downloaded from here, extracted here. And this path you will copy and put it in the environment variable, which is you will go here, here. And you go to the path environment variable and add it just like this. Here new and add it, paste it, add our date, and you can do that. So this is the way you can install the Java. Okay. After that, you add this path again. Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah. Repeat. This path you have to add it. My bad. This path you have to add it. There's a correction. Java home, here it is. Okay. And in the path, you will add bin, mind it here at the end of it, say bin. So in the path, you will add a bin. That's all. So you will do that, Java is installed. After that, you have to install Maven. How do we do that? So just type Google Maven download. This is also zip file here you find zip file. Download this and extract to some location, my favorite location C tools. So here is the Maven. Sorry. This. Just extract it. That's all. Now this path slash this path slash bin. Okay. Set in the environment variable. Here path. Here it is. That's all. So after that Maven is also set. So this way you can set up a Maven and Java. Done. So that is installation.
Rajesh, why we need to set up this environment variable? Sorry if you covered earlier, I missed it.
Okay. This is not something environment variable. I'll put it in a very fundamental way, very basic way. So actually my objective is to run this executable. It's a common practice, okay? Very basic way I'm putting it. I want to run every time this executable for Maven. And for Java, I'll show you then you'll have them in memory. I want to run Java here, Java for run here. This one. I want to run this executable every time. How many times you will run? I'll tell you the numbers also. In a day, you will run 30 to 40 times. So, 40 times you will run Maven, 40 times you will run Java, 40 times you will run Java, and many other commands also. Don't you think you get frustrated copying this large path again and again? Tell me.
Yes.
Correct, now?
Yeah.
So what I am doing, nothing great. In this path, I am adding an environment variable in the path location. So just when I type Maven or Java or Java, then automatically this Maven will look for the path, system path, which is there I added here, here, here. Life will become easy. That's all. System path means what? Some path you are adding at one place, which is a system, and next time you run that executable, this executable will found in this path. Simple.
Okay.
So that's the reason we add those. There is no other requirement for it. You can,
So
if you don't
here
like that,
we are simply giving the alias of the path to the file name. Is it
something like
something
that,
like that?
just to make your life easier.
Okay.
Got it? So that's why I'll use maven mbn command if I add in path. If you don't add, no problem. Add full path and use it. It will become very irritating.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now installation is done. Java and Maven. Now what next? So Maven said one thing which we know. Understand Maven, how it works. And you see everything will be automated. Project directory structure, build preparation, compilation, testing, packaging, versioning. All these things will be automated. So how? So I need one more URL for that. And that is Maven
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.